Alright, right off the back, I'm gonna apologize for the vertical video. YouTube's format for doing quick videos only allows this. If you try vertical, you're gonna see like a sideways video. Anyway, I figured I'd make a video on dash cam installs with a 2007 to 2014 Silverados because it's not straightforward. Anyway, I bought a kit with a little fuse box piggybacks and that to make it simple. Problem is, every single one of these is constant power, so your only switched ones are under the hood, and there's not an easy pass through on the firewall. So that's basically what you gotta do. You gotta get into here. You'll see it on the Silverado forums. I use those guys; they helped a lot. But I figure video might be nice. But you got those two up there. That's constant power. The yellow one that's going up on the top right of that middle port that's unused, and then that bottom one's bottom left there is a switched source, and then you could run a ground over there or something just to run a dash cam. It's not fused. I think that's a fusible link though, I think. Anyway, it's not straightforward as any other vehicle you would expect, and that's pretty much the only easy option you got. Unless you want constant power, then you can tap the fuse box, but I want mine to shut off when I turn off. So that's basically where you're going to want to go. Again, the Silverado forums, they have a little diagram I used. You can check those guys out. But that's the method that works.